I'm sorry that I was not able to make the stock talk earlier today. That's because we're going through some changes at Best of Us Investors. The first change was the announcement in July of the website, but now we've had some personnel changes. Drew is no longer with us, and he had built the Discord, so he took that with him. And so we're going to have to rebuild the Discord for Best of Us Investors. So if you go and can't access the Discord, give us until Monday or shortly thereafter, and we'll have it up and running again. What I want to do is, again, make this active for the tribe and give you the quality of information that you need to make better investment decisions. And we have to grow. And as we grow, you change people, and you find some people who do not align with your goals and your objectives and your standards, and so you make changes. So bear with us. As the changes were made, there was some damage done to the website, but we will get that put back together as well. It's like when someone empties their desk, they maybe throw something against the wall. Okay? Just wanted you to know we're working on it. We're going to make it better, and we'll be up and running the first of the week.